Hi, I'm Tonya Papanikolov. I'm the founder of Rainbo, a sustainable medicinal mushroom company, and I'm super excited. Today I'm going to be walking you through a recipe that is a homemade nut milk that is nutrient dense, with a lot of healthy fats, activated enzymes because it's a raw food, and you're getting a lot of vitamin B, so your B vitamins, minerals, nutrients. So I really encourage doing this versus a store-bought milk if it's accessible to you, because there's no added sugars, gums, preservatives that you don't really want in your precious body. So today we're going to use Brazil nuts and cashews. So it's going to be really creamy and super delicious. I've pre-soaked these overnight for about 12 hours. I just left them right in the fridge. This is 1 cup of nuts. So I have my water pre-measured out. I'm going to add the nuts first. And then I'll add a date. This is totally optional if you want something that's sugar-free. I'm gonna add that in, and then we're gonna do a teaspoon of vanilla and a little bit of sea salt, and cinnamon. I like to freehand stuff, but you can follow the recipe if that's easier for you. But it's really foolproof. You can't really go wrong with this recipe. And then we're gonna add some 1111. So this is our medicinal mushroom tincture. It has 11 mushrooms that are really utilizing the synergistic properties of mushrooms. So they actually work better when they're together, kind of like teamwork. And I'm gonna add 5 droppers. And that is pretty much it. You can blend the nuts now. Going to put that right on high. Okay, once your nuts are done blending, the fun part comes. So this is a nut milk bag. You will ideally need one of these to milk your nuts and get the pulp out. So I'm going to pour my nut milk into the bag inside a bowl. And then I'm gonna squeeze it and get your hands dirty. So this takes a little bit of time to actually get everything out. So now you have your delicious creamy nut milk that I'm going to pour into a jar. So what you are left with is a strained out nut milk that's creamy, delicious, and really nutty, really tasty. So you can store this right in your fridge for about 2 to 4 days. It should last depending on how quickly you're using it. And it's that easy. I hope that you give this a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. Enjoy!